We are going to do the MR2 Side Vent Mod. Basically just consists of removing the center louver. You can buy one of these things, but it's just going to cost you just as much time in putting in the paint, so we got to paint this anyway. So I've marked a red line where we're going to cut this thing out, cut this side. We're going to do some body work because there will be a hole there, a little bit of body work here, and this will be done in just a few easy steps. Okay, here it is all cut out. So the next thing we need to do on the back side, we need to grind this down. We're also going to need to grind that down also where that structure was, and reinforce it on the back side. And to do that, we're going to use carbon fiber cloth. So we got cloth, we got resin, hardener, and all the fun stuff. So we're going to reinforce it with this on the back side. We'll come through and we'll fiberglass the front and smooth it all out.